guys, have you ever been walking through your yard and this happened?
Or guys, have you ever been doing yard work on your tractor and this happened? Or guys, have you ever been walking through the yard, checking out your wife, not paying any attention to where you're going, and this happened? It's okay, baby. I got the clippers. I'll take care of this. Well, that didn't work.
Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to take care of this myself. Well, dang, I don't think that's gonna work either.
Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna have to break out the big tools. Well, that ain't gonna work either. So guys, I don't know what we done before the cordless industry come out, but these things are amazing. It's a 4-inch chainsaw,
Lightweight.
super light. It comes with a little bottle of bar and chain oil, comes with a screwdriver, it comes with the wrench that to adjust the tension on the blade on the chain. Of course, it's rechargeable. It comes with a charger. It does a fantastic job. You know, in the video, you see me cutting a tree that the blade just barely made it through. Pretty much a 4-inch diameter tree. I mean, it's worked great.
So guys, as you can see, there are other ways to cut branches, but they're not nearly as easy or convenient as using one of these little 4-inch chainsaws. Wiley, would you recommend this saw?
Absolutely.
To your friends?
Absolutely. It's just so easy. The blade, super sharp. It went through those oak trees like they wasn't nothing. I mean, sure, you know, they wasn't huge, but, you know.
Oak trees are hard.
Oak trees hard. And it done it like it wasn't nothing. I would 100% recommend it. It's pretty good product.
So this is going to be an invaluable tool on our farm. If you would like one for your farm, your homestead, or just your yard, go check this thing out on Amazon. The link will be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss a video when we post. And we will see you guys on the next video. Maybe you should do it the other direction. Oh. Ouch.
Damn! So, guys, then you go grab your handy-dandy little tree thingies. The limb saw, what is this called? Damn it.
Well, I guess I'm just going to have to take care of this myself. I don't know how to do a surprise face. Talk loud.
That worked out great.
Alright, now I have to do my surprise face. Was that stupid?
No.
Wow.
When you have blonde hair and you forget to put it on the charger.